Did you know that you can view 3D content as easy as 123D on a looking glass display? This includes stuff you probably know about, like 3D models and portrait mode photos, and incredible new techniques in photography, like light field photos. And there's more. If you don't know what a looking glass is, you can click the link in the description to find out more. Hey guys, it's Missy. And in this series of tutorials, we're going to go over what HoloPlay Studio is and what kind of media and file types that you can bring into HoloPlay Studio to view immediately in 3D on your looking glass display. But before we get started, just take a second, look down, like this video, please, and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep delivering really awesome content to you guys, especially tutorial content. Okay. Time to keep going. HoloPlay Studio is a companion application to looking glass holographic interfaces. With HoloPlay Studio, you import content like portrait mode photos, RGBD images and videos, quilt images and videos, which we'll go over in the following tutorial videos on this playlist, and light field photo sets. Whether it's holographic work you've made or downloaded, you collect it all in one application to view, adjust, and play on your own holographic device in standalone mode for everyone to see, or just for yourself. It's up to you. This series of tutorials will focus on HoloPlay Studio, and we'll go over what file types you can import into HoloPlay Studio, how you can adjust your playlist of content, exporting your content for easy viewing, and syncing your playlist to your device to play without being connected to a computer. So make sure you go to the next video where we're going to be going over all the different file types that you can view in 3D as a hologram.